There you go, Luke.
Alright.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright. Well, we've been here for a couple of days. We moved the cabin from there about, I guess, about 40-30 feet over here. And
How we move it?
we moved it on trailer house axles and beam and pipe and chains and pulled it with the winch.
With whose truck?
My truck. My truck's the oldest, well, not the oldest one here. Your dad's the oldest truck here. Mine's second oldest, and yours the newest. Yeah, we moved it. We got the porch back on, the roof. And
How easy was it to level?
pain in the butt.
Because you're like crawling underneath the small
We
spaces?
got it all level. We got all those blocks put back on the porch. Walked that way. We level all that. We made sure it was level before we set the cabin back down.
We used what? Phil's water level?
Phil's water level. And we used the submarine level too to level the blocks.
Oh, the torpedoes?
The torpedoes, I call them submarine levels. And we got it all right, but the way originally the house was set, it wasn't level. The front door don't shut right, but the back door still shuts right. It's not straight, but now it's level. That's it.